Imagine installing a Linux distribution where every aspect of your operating system is defined in a single configuration file, where upgrading your system feels almost risk-free, and where rolling back a broken update takes only a reboot. It sounds like something from the future, yet it already exists, and it is called NixOS. Among hundreds of Linux distributions available today, NixOS stands out as one of the most unique and innovative operating systems ever created. While many Linux distributions focus on ease of use, stability, speed, or customization, NixOS takes a completely different approach. It rethinks how an operating system should be built, managed, updated, and maintained. The result is a Linux system that feels unlike anything else in the Linux world. Most Linux distributions install software directly into standard system locations. Applications place files in directories such as /usr, perbin, and perlib. Over time, as software is installed, updated, and removed, the operating system changes incrementally. This traditional approach has worked for decades, but it can sometimes lead to dependency conflicts, broken upgrades, and systems that become difficult to reproduce. NixOS solves these problems with an entirely different philosophy. Instead of treating the operating system as a collection of manually managed components, it treats the entire system as a declarative configuration. In NixOS, users describe what they want their system to look like. They define installed applications, enabled services, user accounts, networking settings, desktop environments, and many other options in configuration files. Once those settings are declared, the system builds itself according to those instructions. Rather than manually changing dozens of settings over time, users maintain a description of the desired system state. This means that rebuilding the system consistently produces the same result. One of the most remarkable features of NixOS is its package manager, known as Nix Package Manager. Unlike traditional package managers, Nix stores software in unique directories based on cryptographic hashes. Multiple versions of the same program can coexist without conflicts because each version lives in its own isolated location. This eliminates many of the dependency issues that Linux users have struggled with for years. If one application requires an older library version while another needs a newer version, both can exist peacefully on the same system. This unique storage method enables one of NixOS's most famous capabilities: atomic upgrades. On many operating systems, updates modify files directly. If something goes wrong during the process, the system can become unstable or even unbootable. NixOS approaches upgrades differently. A new system generation is built separately from the currently running system. Only after the build is complete does the system switch to the new generation. If a problem occurs, users can simply select a previous generation during boot and instantly return to a working configuration. The rollback feature feels almost magical when compared to traditional operating systems. Imagine installing a system update that causes a driver issue or breaks a critical application. On many systems, recovery can require troubleshooting, repairing packages, or even reinstalling the operating system. With NixOS, reverting to a previous state often takes just a few seconds. This capability gives users confidence to experiment without fear of permanently damaging their systems. Another reason NixOS is unlike any other Linux system is reproducibility. In the software development world, reproducibility is becoming increasingly important. Developers want environments that behave identically across laptops, servers, virtual machines, and cloud infrastructure. NixOS excels in this area. A configuration file that defines a system can be shared with another user, and rebuilding from that configuration produces nearly the same environment. This makes collaboration easier and reduces the infamous "it works on my machine" problem. For developers, NixOS offers an extraordinary advantage. Development environments can be defined with precision. Instead of manually installing programming languages, libraries, and tools, developers can specify everything in configuration files. When a project is shared, collaborators can instantly recreate the exact environment required. This consistency improves productivity and reduces setup time significantly. The learning curve, however, is one of the biggest reasons NixOS remains relatively niche. New users often discover that familiar Linux habits do not always apply. Installing software, configuring services, and managing packages require learning the Nix language and understanding the Nix ecosystem. Concepts like derivations, flakes, generations, and declarative configurations can feel overwhelming at first. Many Linux users who are comfortable with traditional distributions find themselves challenged by NixOS's unique approach. Yet those who invest the time frequently become enthusiastic advocates. They appreciate the predictability and reliability that come from managing a system declaratively. Instead of trying to remember every command executed over months or years, users can simply review their configuration files. The entire operating system becomes transparent and documented. Customization is another area where NixOS shines. Linux users often enjoy tailoring systems to their preferences, and NixOS provides exceptional control. Desktop environments, window managers, services, networking configurations, hardware settings, and software packages can all be defined in a structured way. Rather than manually tweaking countless files scattered throughout the system, users can centralize their configuration in a manageable and version-controlled format. Many advanced users store their NixOS configurations in Git repositories. This means system configurations can be tracked just like software projects. Changes can be reviewed, reverted, synchronized across devices, and backed up effortlessly. The combination of version control and declarative configuration creates a level of system management rarely seen in traditional operating systems. Security also benefits from the NixOS model. Because software packages are isolated and system changes are carefully managed, users gain greater visibility into what is installed and how it is configured. Reproducible builds and deterministic environments can improve confidence that software behaves as expected. While no operating system is immune to security challenges, NixOS provides tools that encourage disciplined and transparent system administration. Another fascinating aspect is the Nix ecosystem beyond NixOS itself. The Nix package manager can run on other Linux distributions and even on systems like macOS. This allows users to benefit from Nix's package management features without fully switching to NixOS. As a result, many people first encounter Nix through development environments before eventually exploring the full operating system. The package repository available to Nix users is enormous. Thousands of applications, libraries, development tools, desktop environments, and services are maintained through a community-driven effort. This extensive collection means users rarely need to compile software manually. Whether someone is a programmer, system administrator, researcher, student, or enthusiast, chances are the required tools are already available. Cloud infrastructure represents another area where NixOS demonstrates its strengths. Modern infrastructure increasingly relies on automation and reproducibility. Servers need consistent configurations across multiple deployments. NixOS makes this remarkably straightforward because servers can be defined entirely through configuration files. Deploying a new server often becomes a matter of applying an existing configuration rather than manually repeating setup steps. Container technologies and virtualization also integrate well with the Nix philosophy. Because environments can be precisely defined, creating reproducible containers becomes easier. Teams managing large numbers of systems can achieve impressive consistency while reducing configuration drift over time. Despite these advantages, NixOS is not necessarily the best choice for everyone. Beginners seeking a straightforward desktop experience may find traditional distributions easier to learn. Popular options such as Ubuntu, Linux Mint, or Fedora Linux often provide a gentler introduction to Linux. NixOS demands a willingness to learn new concepts and rethink familiar workflows. However, for users who enjoy understanding how systems work, NixOS can be incredibly rewarding. Many describe a moment when the underlying philosophy finally clicks. Suddenly, the unusual design decisions make sense. The declarative model, isolated packages, atomic upgrades, reproducibility, and rollbacks become parts of a coherent vision rather than isolated features. The community surrounding NixOS has also grown significantly in recent years. As software development practices increasingly emphasize automation and reproducibility, interest in Nix continues to expand. Tutorials, documentation, community repositories, and educational resources have improved dramatically, making the platform more accessible than ever before. One reason enthusiasts often praise NixOS so passionately is that it solves problems many users have simply accepted as normal. Dependency conflicts, broken upgrades, inconsistent development environments, undocumented configuration changes, and difficult recovery processes have long been common frustrations. NixOS challenges the assumption that these issues are unavoidable. By redesigning fundamental aspects of package management and system configuration, it offers an alternative vision for how operating systems can function. What makes NixOS truly special is not any single feature, but the way all of its ideas work together. Declarative configuration alone would be useful. Atomic upgrades alone would be valuable. Rollbacks alone would be impressive. Reproducible environments alone would attract developers. Yet NixOS combines all of these capabilities into a unified system. Each feature reinforces the others, creating an experience that feels fundamentally different from traditional Linux distributions. As computing environments become more complex and users demand greater reliability, the ideas pioneered by NixOS continue attracting attention. Concepts that once seemed experimental are increasingly recognized as practical solutions to real-world problems. Whether NixOS eventually becomes mainstream or remains a favorite among power users, its influence on the Linux ecosystem is undeniable. In a world filled with Linux distributions that differ mainly in package managers, desktop environments, or release schedules, NixOS stands apart because it reimagines the very foundation of operating system management. It is not merely another Linux distribution. It is a different way of thinking about software, configuration, updates, and reliability. For some users, that difference makes it challenging. For others, it makes NixOS one of the most exciting operating systems ever created. Once you understand its philosophy, it becomes clear why so many enthusiasts say the same thing. NixOS is unlike any Linux system.